Welcome to another video, and we are in beautiful Harrishead. It's Saturday night, the 14th of December 2024. Typically a cold night, and we're going for the first Christmas tractor run. This one is departing at 5 p.m. and it's called the Rollin Thunder, and it's all donating to the children's ward at Royal Stoke. We're going to watch it at the top of Pennyfields as it heads towards Harrishead. And I'm just looking at the Facebook now. So Biddle Moor Christmas tractor run starting at 5 p.m. Right then, hood up. It's a chilly 41 Fahrenheit, 5 Celsius, but at least it's dry. Now, I haven't seen this one advertised that much. Luckily, I've just spotted it on Facebook probably about half an hour ago. So glad we can bring this one to you tonight. Showing on Facebook, it's leaving from the Hop Lab at Brownlees at 5 o'clock. Right, it's 5 o'clock, and who's ready for the Biddle Moor Rolling Christmas Tractor Run? All for the children's ward of Royal Stoke. Bring it on. There's a great turnout already at the end of Pennyfields. Plenty of people ready to support these guys. And here we go. I can hear the first of the tractors, or actually this is the lead truck, I guess. Clearing the roads for this amazing sight. Wow, just check these out. Look at that. That's just fabulous. Let me know in the comments which is your favourite tractor. I like that. Look at that one. Nice. So glad we can bring you this on the channel tonight. And again, all for the children's ward at Royal Stoke. How fabulous is this? Now you can see Santa actually at the front of this one. Look at that, that is a nice tractor. All got the Santa hats on. This is absolutely brilliant. Should have got my Santa hat on as well. Might have kept me warm a little bit. Hope you're enjoying it, guys. If you are, drop me some comments. Give me a thumbs up, it does help the channel out. Look at that one. That's absolutely amazing. We've got a Land Rover all dressed up there. A few Land Rovers actually coming there. Look at the lights on that one. That one's absolutely awesome. And check that van out. That's amazing. All lit up. Now that is a nice car, look at that. Wow. And this is just a perfect night. A little bit on the chilly side there. And that's a fair old horn from that truck. Check out the snowman on there. That's dressed up really well. Santa at the end. So all this is now passing Pennyfields Road, heading to Harrishead. It's another nice truck. ridiculously loud horns. Back to the tractors again now. And there we go. Hope you've enjoyed that video tonight. If you have, give me a thumbs up, drop me some comments, subscribe to the channel. Merry Christmas everyone, and we'll see you on the next video real soon.